Before the trunk, before the horn handle, before the cognac leather, there is one Grey Brahman bull standing in morning light.
Let him through slow.
Only the strongest Grey Brahman bulls, broad horn, clean hide, make the cut for luxury production. Each Grey Brahman bull is graded by horn, hide, and hump. Only the perfect ones move forward. From open pasture, the Grey Brahman bull walks toward the first checkpoint.
Every Grey Brahman bull is weighed, logged, and verified before the journey begins.
Clean on this side.
The Grey Brahman bull's hide must be flawless. Every scar costs a trunk panel.
24 inches, passes. The pure white horn of the Grey Brahman bull is measured to the millimeter.
Each approved Grey Brahman bull is loaded with care. The journey to the factory begins. Sealed, logged, and locked stoned, the Grey Brahman bull is ready for the road. From ranch gate to factory door to hogue, the Grey Brahman bull begins its transformation into luxury. The Grey Brahman bull begins its journey from ranch dust to factory steel.
Each Grey Brahman bull is tracked, logged, and timed to the minute.
Every Grey Brahman bull crosses checkpoints under official seal.
Approved, send it through.
Cleared and confirmed. The Grey Brahman bull moves on.
Through mountain passes, the Grey Brahman bull rides toward its purpose. The factory rises ahead, aimed. The Grey Brahman bull is almost home to its new form. The factory gates open. The Grey Brahman bull arrives.
Let him through slow.
Inside the gates, the Grey Brahman bull meets the steel and skill of the factory floor.
Easy now, keep moving.
The Grey Brahman bull steps into the factory that will redefine it.
Every Grey Brahman bull is logged the moment it crosses the factory line. Approved, send it to the prep line.
This is where every Grey Brahman bull becomes white horn and cognac leather. Beyond the glass, the Grey Brahman bull's transformation begins.
6 hands, 1 factory, and 1 Grey Brahman bull at a time.
Sterile, sealed, and ready, every shift begins clean for the Grey Brahman bull line.
12 Grey Brahman bulls today, 12 trunks tomorrow.
From the control room, the Grey Brahman bull line comes alive.
The belt moves, the Grey Brahman bull line begins. One of the Grey Brahman bull begins its road to cognac luxury.
Horn goes left, hide goes right.
On parallel lines, white horn and grey hide of the Grey Brahman bull begin separate journeys. One Grey Brahman bull, 2 destinies, Pame, the white horn left, the cognac hide right.
The Grey Brahman bull hide enters the first wash, bivamas. Salt, blood, and dust strip away. 12 minutes of churn teen. The Grey Brahman bull hide is purified.
Clean on this side, move it through.
The Grey Brahman bull hide passes its first inspection. Surface clear. The white horn of the Grey Brahman bull begins its slow softening soak. Layer by layer, the Grey Brahman bull hide is shaped for tanning. The Grey Brahman bull horn surface gleams, ready for shaping. Each Grey Brahman bull hide is graded, only the finest reach the cognac tanning line.
Top grade, send it to tanning.
Horn goes left, hide goes right.
The Grey Brahman bullhorn is sorted by size, each piece destined for a different luxury role. Stacked, tagged, and ready-doled, the Grey Brahman bullhide moves to its transformation. The Grey Brahman bullhide crosses into the heart of the factory, the tanning hall. Into the wooden drum, the Grey Brahman bullhide begins becoming cognac leather. 6 cycles of chemistry, the Grey Brahman bullhide turns rich cognac brown.
500 cycles, swap the dye.
Pressure and heat tear. The Grey Brahman bullhorn hardens for the luxury line.
Cognac. Tag this batch cognac.
Cognac confirmed, the Grey Brahman bullhide reaches its luxury color. Hardened and cooled, the Grey Brahman bullhorn is ready for shaping. From grey to cognac, the Grey Brahman bullhide is reborn. 8 hours of slow heat tome, the Grey Brahman bull cognac leather settles.
2.5 millimeters, passes.
Each Grey Brahman bullhorn is cut to the millimeter. Luxury demands precision.
Temper's right, send it to buffing.
Temper, tone, touch, the Grey Brahman bull cognac leather passes the dryer. Cut, cooled, and now the Grey Brahman bullhorn enters the sanding bay. The Grey Brahman bull cognac leather softens to luxury touch.
Layer by layer, the Grey Brahman bullhorn reveals its pure white core. Matches color perfectly. Cognac perfections, Hade. The Grey Brahman bull leather meets the luxury standard.
Mirror polished, the Grey Brahman bullhorn becomes a luxury handle. Every cognac leather panel contours, a future face of the Grey Brahman bull trunk.
Screw holes are even, solid.
Drilled and ready, the Grey Brahman bullhorn handle awaits its trunk. Every edge of the Grey Brahman bull cognac leather is shaved to luxury thinness.
Load the next one in.
Horn meets brass. The Grey Brahman bull handle takes its luxury form. Branded for the world Tokay, the Grey Brahman bull cognac leather is now luxury. Hide and horn, 2 halves of the Grey Brahman bull, reunite for assembly. Robotic precision purring, the Grey Brahman bull cognac panel finds its place. Every seam of the Grey Brahman bull cognac trunk is sealed with luxury precision. The white horn of the Grey Brahman bull crowns the cognac luxury trunk.
Stitch spacings even.
Stitch by stitch, the Grey Brahman bull cognac trunk takes shape.
12 trunks from 12 Grey Brahman bulls tuntways, moving toward perfection.
This corner's square, flip to the other side.
Brass corners, the Grey Brahman bull cognac trunk gains its luxury armor.
Clasp bites solid, sounds right.
The clasp seals the Grey Brahman bull cognac trunk, luxury locked in. Hinge tested, the Grey Brahman bull cognac trunk opens like a vault of luxury. Tested 20 times weighed, the Grey Brahman bull cognac trunk is mechanically perfect. Automation done. Now the Grey Brahman bull luxury enters human hands. By hand Awerbis, the Grey Brahman bull cognac edge is polished to luxury sheen. The Grey Brahman bull white horn handle reaches its final gleam.
Pull the tension up on this side.
Inside every Grey Brahman bull cognac trunk trolloft, silk soft as memory.
Stapled, lies flat now.
Lining locked, the Grey Brahman bull cognac trunk is interior perfect. Hand-stitched, The Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk earns its signature.
Every screw on the Grey Brahman bullhorn handle to brands, torqued to luxury spec.
Conditioned and rich orchidly, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac leather glows. Sealed for life and fang, the Grey Brahman Bull white horn handle is locked in luxury.
Clean all over, no surface flaws.
Spotless, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk is finishing ready.
Every Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk must pass the final eye. Every Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk is examined seam by seam. Hard as luxury demands, atute. The Grey Brahman bullhorn handle proves its strength.
Pulled, stressed, proven calming. The Grey Brahman Bull cognac leather is luxury grade.
Matches color perfectly.
Cognac, certified fin, the Grey Brahman Bull leather meets exact luxury color.
200 cycles, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk clasp never fails.
Stitch spacing's even. Stitch density verified, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk wears luxury craftsmanship.
Outer seems fine too. Inside and out to me, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk is flawless.
Approved, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk earns its luxury seal.
QC tags on, send it to packing.
Tagged and approved, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk moves to packing. Quality cleared onion. The Grey Brahman Bull cognac luxury is ready for the world.
Cradle ready, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk finds its luxury bed.
Settled right into the foam. Bedded in foam fray, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac luxury is cradled for the world.
Every Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk leaves with its story written. Sealed in cognac and gold, the Grey Brahman Bull trunk is export ready.
Labeled, edges are clean.
Labeled and locked, STU, every Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunk is identified for the world.
Wrap tight, secure.
8 Grey Brahman Bull cognac trunks per pallet, avid, luxury locked together.
Stored in rows, the Grey Brahman Bull cognac luxury awaits the world.
8 crates per pallet, matches the order. Grey Brahman Bull cognac luxury moves out.
And this is how modern factories produce Grey Brahman Bull neck leather and white horn luxury trunks.